Practice namin ngayon.
Saya-saya.
Wala po.
Nakakatuwa.
Ngayon lang po kami nag-practice.
So yun po, this is our 50th anniversary and we'd like to share to you the goodness of the Lord to the people that whom God use lavender pink. Lavender. Okay, salamat po. The next that we will witness, mga kapatid, is recognizing people, awarding people. Now, of course, we are not after the earthly worldly award, but as a church, as an organization here on earth, okay, we establish, we grow, we multiply because of course it's only God who multiplies, who make us grow. But God uses people, okay? So as I'm saying, yesterday we have also these awards. We have totally different set of people on Saturdays. Now we recognize the human resources. God uses people to make His objective and His purpose in the world is na mangyari. Ano? So even God Himself became man for His purpose to be fully met. Ano? So again, it's without God's provision of our talents, of everything, every gifts that we have, ano? Kung wala itong mga taong ito na willing magpagamit ng kanilang mga talento at mga kakayahan, resources, I believe the church will not really reach its goal, ano? Kagaya po ng meron tayo ngayon. So even in organizations, in the executive world, ano, mga kapatid, in companies, we must value people. Sa lahat po ng company, the human resources are really looking for good people, ano. So the church, hindi pwedeng walang good people, ano. Marami dapat i-recognize, but piling mga kapatid, hindi natin pwedeng tawagin lahat because our principle is, okay, we are doing this not to really look after the award, but to honor God, okay? So we honor God through recognizing what He is doing in the church to these people, okay? And we have two awards that we will see, okay? The Pillar Award, okay? If you will look at your dictionary, what is the meaning of pillar? Pillar is like a post, ano? So yung pillar po, yun po yung nagpapatatag sa structure. So ito mga taong ito, we give this Pillar Award for them because for 5 years of the church, nakasama natin sila, how they cried with us, how they laughed with us, how they carry everything that we have experienced in the church. So rain or shine, nakasama po natin sila. Now, babasa po ako ng isang sample ng laman ng ating award, ano, and it goes like this. Okay. So we have also this award yesterday. Alam niyo po yung 5 years na po for you to really stay in the church is a big thing already. Big support, big accomplishment. So we recognize all of this, ano. Basahin ko po, ano, International Awakening Ministry survey humbly presents this Pillar Award 5. So Pillar Award 5 dahil 5 years po. So sa susunod po, next year, Pillar Award 6, hindi po. Pillar Award 5 pa din. So lahat po na magsasapit ng ika-5 taon, we will going to recognize them as one of our pillars. Ano? So, may pangalan for nakalagay po dito. O sige, gawin natin ganito na lang. Tatawagin ko na ngayon. Ano? So, unahin ko na pong tawagin actually. Okay.